Hi guys, let's start with the procedure. First we are going to marinate the prawns with red chili powder, then biryani masala, turmeric powder, and then ginger garlic paste. Then comes the lemon salt as per your taste, and then only the lemon juice of 3 tablespoons. Now add the curd and mix it nicely. Mix it nicely with until all the masalas gets coated on the prawns, and keep it in fridge for at least 1 hour. Now add oil in a pan and fry the prawns which was marinated in fridge. Once it is done, fry the onions in the same leftover oil, and this onions can be used for the garnishing purpose. So fry it nicely until it is golden brown. Let it get fried. In another cooker, take some water and add all the garam spices like bay leaves, star anise, elaichi, cardamom, cloves, everything, and leave it to boil. We are going to boil the basmati rice in this water. Add some salt also and let it get boiled, and then we will add the rice. Now take the traditional clay pot, add some oil, and we are going to fry the onions first. So let it become golden brown. Till then we are going to fry this. You can even add little salt so that it gets fried little faster. So fry it nicely till it becomes golden brown. And the other set of onions is also getting ready. It's almost done. Little bit, it has to turn little more brown also. So let it get fried. And now the water is also getting boiled. Now add the green chilies as per your spice taste and fry it. The water is boiled, and now we are adding the rice which is soaked for at least 15 to 20 minutes during the process. Now add the rice batch by batch and let it get cooked 70 to 80%. Now add the ginger garlic paste in this onions and fry it. Stir it nicely. Now add all the leaves, coriander, pudina and curry patta, and mix it nicely. This curry patta gives a nice flavor to the biryani. And then add the tomatoes and mix it nicely till it becomes mashed. The rice is also cooked, you can see here. So now it is time to get it strained, and I'm adding the masalas like biryani masala, chicken masala, then turmeric, salt, and mix it nicely. Now I'm adding the curd and mix it nicely till it becomes a gravy consistency. So it is nicely done, and now we are adding the prawns which was fried earlier. Don't overcook the prawns because prawn gets cooked very easily and quickly. So it is almost done, and switch off the flame, and now I'm going to layer with the rice. So I'm adding the first layer of rice, leveling it completely. Now we are preparing it for the dum. Now adding the fried onions, then the leaves, now comes the second batch of prawn masala. Add it completely. Now I am adding the second layer of rice, followed by the green leaves like coriander, pudina and curry patta, and then we will keep it in dum. So for that I have taken a banana leaf first, and I am closing it with a lid, and above that I am keeping a stone vessel, a heavy one, and keep it in low flame for 10 minutes, and the dum is getting ready. Now it is done and the yummy biryani is ready. Here you can see the color and the texture of the rice. It's so good and the flavor is also so good. The biryani is ready, and thank you guys. Thanks for watching.